Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is April 23rd, and we are going to talk about Palantir stock. I'm not a financial advisor, blah, blah, blah. Make your own decision, blah, blah, blah. Do your own research. Palantir, very happy. Very happy, yeah, I can say that. 23.41, up 55 cents, up 2.41%. Post-market, even Steven. Let's look at the candle. So we have a nice green candle that did not go over the high of yesterday. Okay, but the low of today is higher than the low of yesterday, and that low is, of course, is above the support that we have at 22.50. So I like what is happening with Palantir for these past days. I think maybe the tide is turning around. As I mentioned yesterday, we seem to hear about Palantir a lot more. Kathy Wood from ARK Invest has purchased recently quite a bit of Palantir stocks. So I think the company is getting to be a bit more well known, and people will be pointing to us for being the pioneers at purchasing Palantir in the 20s, when maybe the stock will go to the $200. So I don't do those stock evaluation. I base my stock evaluation on other YouTubers. Tom Nash is one of them. So basically, I listen to other YouTubers, and this is why I kind of decided to share my technical analysis here, because this is what I do. So I might as well share it, because I'm doing it every day. So why not share it so that maybe some people can benefit? If you don't benefit, it's fine. You don't have to watch the video. That's it. So let's just look at the hour chart here. So 9:30 was here. So basically 9:30 sat on this little support that we have had also for a while here. This is an internal intraday support. So the stock opened here at the bottom of the rectangle, went down on that support, touched it, and then used it to propel itself, and then had a hard time getting over 23.50. So there's a little bit of resistance. You see it. The stock, the chart is speaking to us. We just have to listen. So there's a resistance here, so I might as well draw it. There's a resistance here at 23.50, I would say. And I'm having a hard time with TradingView. I think I did something wrong with it. So look at this. So I'm gonna put it as gray because it's not a very important one. But look at this. So we had this resistance on April 15th, and the stock, look at this. It stayed around 23.50 around April 8th. Used it as support here. So there's really something here. There's really something here, and the stock was having a hard time today getting above it. It went above it, but then it went above it here at 130, but then was pushed down, then went back up, and then went back down. So we see that 23.50 is a number that people have in their mind, and some people buy at 23.50, but most people sell at 23.50. So basically, it's going to be great when we go by 23.50. So let's go back to the indicators on the daily chart. So indicators, stochastic is climbing higher as expected, getting close to the magic 50 number that we like, to be in the green zone, to show that the stock has some push behind it. So this is going to come soon. MACD, of course, it's still crossed over. The two lines are below zero, so minus 0.52, minus 0.62. So This means that the bull trend has not really started, even though the stock went up from the bottom here at 21. That's fine, it's gonna come. And the DMI still bearish, but getting closer to a crossover. So the green line is at 20.6 versus the red line, which is at 23.7. So so I'm happy about Palantir, and I wish that things will get even better in the next week. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great weekend. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing, Patreoning, and Discording. We are going to speak on Monday. This is why you can subscribe, so that you know exactly when my videos get posted. I try to get them out before 5 o'clock. I don't always succeed, but this is my aim. And I'm just going to tell you, à la prochaine.